now we are going to start Microsoft Word 2021 practically. First you will click the start button and you will browse Microsoft Word from the list of programs here. This is Word. When you will click Word, you will see the splash screen of Microsoft Word 2021. This first screen is called splash screen. You can open it also by searching it as WORD Word, enter. This is a splash screen. Now this is the dashboard. This is called dashboard or back office. Here in the back office you can see that it is providing us new document. It is also showing me the recent document that I have created in Microsoft Word. It is also showing me the list of pinned documents. Now we can also see that there are many other options here: new, open, account, feedback and options. We will come to them later. Today we are going to create a simple new file here on Microsoft Word 2021. We will click blank document. It will create a new blank file of Microsoft Word 2021. First of all, you can see the environment. Here it is showing us the title bar at the top of our screen, where we can see the default title of Microsoft Word. Let's talk a little bit about these things. First, what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is text editing or word processing software. Text editing or word processing means, number one, creating, number two, deleting, number three, saving, number four, printing, number five, formatting the text or documents. Okay, so where we use Microsoft Word. What is the use of Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is used for letter writing, documentation. In the documentation, what is letter writing? Letter does not mean only a letter. When we talk about letter, we can say that every document that contains one or two pages, every document that contains one or two pages is called a letter. Okay. For example, your CV is a letter, your job application is a letter, official letter is also a letter, one page or two page short business report is also a letter. This topic that I taught you earlier contains only two pages, it is also a letter. Now, other purpose is book writing. Book does not mean that it is a formal book. Okay. Any document that contains more than two pages is called a book. That may be book, that may be notes, that may be assignment, that may be an article, anything that may be a report that contains more than two pages is called book in Microsoft Word. It is also used for newspapers. We can also create cards and scraps using Microsoft Word. We can use it to create calendars also, and any other type of documents that we need, we can create in Microsoft Word. Now we discussed that default file name. Default file name for Microsoft Word is document1. When you will open Microsoft Word first, it will show the name on the title bar, that is document1. When you save it, this name will be changed as we have saved earlier in the previous lecture. You saw that I saved the file with the name of storage hardware. Now, what is the extension? Extension means type of file recognized by the computer. Extension for Microsoft Word is static.doc. Okay, and the latest extension for Microsoft Word is static.docx. Static.doc is used for Microsoft Word 97, 2000, 2003. Static.docx Extreme document is used for Word versions 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2019 and 2021. So from here we can also conclude that MS Word has versions Word 97, Word 2000, Word 2003, Word 2007, Word 2010, Word 2013, Word 2019 and Word 2021. Okay, and you are studying the latest version of Microsoft Word, that is 2021. Now let's see the environment of Microsoft Word here. At the top of screen you can see this bar. This is known as the title bar. This is called title bar, that is showing us the title of the document. On the extreme left you can see these little buttons. This is known as quick access toolbar. This is called quick access toolbar. On the extreme right of the screen you can see minimize, maximize and close button. This is known as the control box. Here you can see my picture and my name. This is my Microsoft account that is logged into that Office. This is the online search for Microsoft Word. Below that you can see the file menu. File menu contains some basic commands to create a new file, to save a file, to print a file, to export a file. And next to that you can see the home menu. Home menu, insert menu, draw menu, design menu, layout menu, reference menu, mailing menu. These all menus are known as ribbon menus. These are 10 in number. From home to view there are 10 menus. Okay. So in this session there was a question in paper that was of 20 marks. Write the names of Microsoft Word menus. Write the name of Microsoft Word menus. So you can see that each menu contains the parts. This first part is clipboard, the second part is font, third part is paragraph. These parts are called the tabs. These are called tabs. Each tab contains the commands. Below that you can see the horizontal ruler. This is the vertical ruler. This is the vertical scroll bar. This is zoom slider. This is the view bar, and this line is called the status bar, and page you are looking at is called the work area. This is the environment of Microsoft Word. Now let's talk a little bit practical about Microsoft Word. I'm going to type some text over here. Now I'm going to conduct some mistakes of spelling and grammar. So that we may be able to run spelling and grammar check here. Okay. You can see that I typed some text and I left some mistakes over here on the page. You can see that where there is a spelling mistake, Microsoft Word has highlighted it with the red underline, and where there is a grammatical mistake, Microsoft Word has highlighted it with the blue underline. This is the feature of Microsoft Word. Whenever you will type some text on Microsoft Word page, if you have spelling or grammar mistakes, Microsoft Word can detect these mistakes. Also, Microsoft Word can remove these mistakes. How? You'll just have to press F7 button from your keyboard. F7 button from your. Now, there is also another way. You can go to review menu and click spelling and grammar. And now it is showing us that the spelling of institute is wrong. You can change it by click change all. Computer, choose the right spelling and click change all. Training, change all. It is showing us that we should type the name Jamal with capital, first letter capital. It's good. Change all. Now it is telling us that plaza should also be capital. It's okay. Next to that, it is showing us that we should type is in place of are. Okay, this is a grammatical mistake, and it is also showing us that we should type play instead of plays. Now it is telling us that the spelling and grammar check is complete. Okay, this was our first class, that how to check spelling and grammar on Microsoft